Class 10, Chapter 12, Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 2, 9th problem. 9th one. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, find the speed of the jet plane, where root 3 is equal to 1.732 value given. Exercise to 9th problem. Here a flight is flying at a height of 1500 root 3. A person is observing from here. First he observed the flight. He got an angle of elevation is to the ground 60 degrees. Again after 15 seconds, again is watching after 15 seconds. The angle of elevation he got is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation 30 degrees. Now height of the flight is 1500 root 3 meters. 1500 root 3 meters height. At constant height means from here onwards also, here also same height, 1500 root 3 meters, same height. Now time after 15 seconds, he wants time is 15 seconds. He is asking to find the speed of the jet plane, but we should know the speed means what? We should know the first distance. Distance by time is equal, speed is equal distance by time. We should find the distance. Now we will take here the point of observation, will take it as A, and here will take B, and this is C will take, and here will take D, and here will take E. Now AB is equals to distance of AB is equals to, I will take a point of observation to the plane, jet plane. AB is equal to X. I will take a distance traveled by jet plane in 15 seconds. This is C is equal BD is equals to, I am taking Y. C is equal BD is equals to Y I am taking. By taking these triangles ABC and ADE, I will prove the problem. Once I will tell in Hindi and afterwards Telugu. एक जेट प्लेन है, एक जेट प्लेन को एक आदमी यहाँ से देखे तो पहले देखे तो 60 डिग्री एंगल है ग्राउंड से लेकर, बाद में 15 सेकेंड्स के बाद में ये देखे तो जेट प्लेन को 30 डिग्री एंगल आया यहाँ तक. मगर हाइट ऑफ द जेट प्लेन क्या है? 1500 रूट 3 है, कांस्टेंट हाइट है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, ये यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक सेम हाइट से जा रहा हो 1500 रूट 3. और टाइम क्या है? 15 सेकेंड्स. ये हम लोग समझ रहे ये डिस्टेंस यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक एक्स समझ रहे ए बी, एंड बी टू डी वाई समझ रहे. बोलते सी इज इक्वल बी डी है, ये दोनों की क्या को बोलते ये रेक्टेंगल बन जाता ना, रेक्टेंगल. देयरफॉर दिस टू आर पैरेलल लाइन्स रहते ना, सी इज इक्वल बी डी इज इक्वल वाई. बट हाइट ऑफ द जेट प्लेन 1500 रूट 3 है. हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना है स्पीड ऑफ द जेट प्लेन. पहले स्पीड फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम लोग को डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना. फर्स्ट डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करने के बाद फार्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो स्पीड की फार्मूला सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम में सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो हम लोग को స్పీడ్ आता. అని తెలుగు ఒక అబ్బాయి ఒక జెట్ ప్లేన్ చూస్తున్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ చూసినప్పుడు యాంగిల్ 60 డిగ్రీస్ ఉన్నది యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్. తర్వాత 15 సెకండ్స్ తర్వాత చూస్తే యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ 30 డిగ్రీస్ ఉన్నది. గ్రౌండ్ నుంచి చూసుకోవాలి. ఈ హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద జెట్ ప్లేన్ 1500 రూట్ 3 ఉన్నది. ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడ వరకు సేమ్ హైట్లో పోతుంది. 1500 రూట్ 3 సేమ్ హైట్ 1500 రూట్ 3 1500 రూట్ 3 సేమ్ హైట్లో పోతుంది. మనం టైం ఇచ్చింది 15 సెకండ్స్. ఈ ఏబీ డిస్టెన్స్ మనం ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటాం, ఈ బీవై డిస్టెన్స్ డి అనుకుంటాం. ఈ సిఈ బీడీ సేమ్ అవుతుంది, ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సిఈ ఈక్వల్ బీడీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వై అనుకుంటున్నాం. మనము స్పీడ్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఈ జెట్ ప్లేన్ స్పీడ్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మనకు డిస్టెన్స్ కావాలి. ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడికి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ మనకు తెలియదు. ఫస్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి, తర్వాత స్పీడ్ ఫార్ములా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైం ఫార్ములా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు స్పీడ్ వస్తుంది. అకార్డింగ్ టు దిస్ फर्स्ट एबीसी ट्रायंगल తీసుకుంటాం, आफ्टरवर्ड्स एडीई ट्रायंगल తీసుకొని प्रॉब्लम प्रूव చేద్దాం. पहले हम लोग एबीसी ट्रायंगल लेते हैं, बाद में एडीई ट्रायंगल लेकर प्रूव करेंगे प्रॉब्लम को. स्टेप्स टू राइट. हाइट ऑफ द जेट प्लेन फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड CB is equal BD is equal 1500 root 3 meters. Height of the jet plane CB is equals to ED is equals to 1500 root 3 meters. A height CB and ED jet plane ki 1500 root 3. Height of the jet plane in the CB and ED is equal to 1500 root 3 meters. Let A be the point of observation. Let A be the point of observation. A be the point of observation. A ना ये यहाँ से देख रहा हो. ये उन ఇక్కడ నుండి చూస్తున్నాడు. Let the horizontal distance between jet plane to A is x meters. Let the horizontal distance jet plane to A is x. AB is equal x. ये horizontal distance jet plane से observation तक क्या है ये देख रहे हैं ना यहाँ तक x meters. ఇక్కడ నుండి ఈ plane distance horizontal distance ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడికి ఎంత చూసే అబ్బాయి వరకు x meters. And the distance traveled by jet plane in 15 seconds is equal C is equals to BD is equal y meters. Distance traveled by plane C is equals to BD is equals to y meters. Here we will take C is equals to BD is equal to y meters. The distance traveled by distance travel करना jet plane jet plane यहाँ से यहाँ तक travel करना 15 seconds में इसको CE को BD को हम लोग क्या लेते हैं y लेते हैं. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేసింది ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడికి ట్రావెల్ చేసిందని మనకు తెలియదు కదా దాన్ని y అనుకుంటాం. C is equal BD is equal y meters. See here I'm taking the triangle ABC angle is equal 60 degrees angle of elevation. Here ABC angle of elevation is 60 degrees. AB is equal x and BC is equals to 1500 root 3 meters. Here longest side is hypotenuse. Here longest side is hypotenuse. Whereas hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side. Another side is opposite side. In a triangle ABC angle B is equal to 90 degrees. We'll take tan theta, where theta is equal to 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Here tan 60 degrees equals root 3. Tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. Opposite side, here opposite side is equals to BC. Opposite side is equal to BC and adjacent side is equal to AB. BC by AB, where root 3 by 1 is equals to BC. BC is equals to what? BC is equal to height of the jet plane 1500 into root 3. 1500 into root 3 by AB. AB is equals to x distance. Now by cross multiplication, you don't keep arrows, you should write here by cross multiplication, you should not keep arrows, remember always. Now x into root 3 or else root 3 into x. Root 3 into x is equals to 1500 into root 3. Here x into root 3 or root 3 into x, 1 into 1500 into root 3, 1500 root 3. Now x is equals to this 1500 into root 3, 1500 into root 3 by this root 3 you write RHS side. What happened? Multiplication quantity becomes division quantity. Therefore you should write in the denominator. Root 3 get cancelled. Therefore x is equals to 1500 meters. We got x value and we should find y value. Now by taking triangle ADE angle elevation is 30 degrees and height is 1500 meters. In a triangle ADE angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Here hypotenuse, longest side is hypotenuse B side is adjacent, other side is opposite. Now we'll take tan 30 degrees, tan theta, where theta is equals to 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equals to tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side to theta. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Opposite side by adjacent side. Here tan 30 degrees is equal, remember 1 by root 3, where tan 60 means root 3. Tan 30 degrees is equal 1 by root 3, where opposite side. Here opposite side is equals to DE. Opposite side is equals to DE and adjacent side is equals to AD. Adjacent side is equals to AD. 1 by root 3 as it is, right? LHS is equals to DE. DE is equal how much? 1500 into root 3. Height of the plane 1500 into root 3 by AD is equals to distance between the point of observation and the distance traveled by the jet plane up to D. AD is equals to x plus y. X plus y. AD is equal to x plus y. Now by cross multiplication, x plus y is equals to 1500 into root 3. 1500 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. X plus y as it is, right, is equals to 1500 into root 3 into root 3, root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square. Square root and square get cancelled. X plus y is equals to 1500 into 3. 15 3 is 45. X plus y is equals to 4500. But x is equals to 1500. X is equals to 1500 meters. Proved above. We'll substitute in the place of x. We'll substitute this 1500 meters in the place of x. 1500 plus this y as it is, right, is equals to 4500. Now this 1500 right RHS side, plus quantity becomes a minus quantity. 4500 minus 1500 प्लस माइनस होते थे, प्लस से वो माइनस में बन जाता. y इज इक्वल्स टू 4500 माइनस 1500, 3000 meters. Now we got distance, we should find the speed. We got distance traveled by the jet plane in 15 seconds is 3000 meters. Yeah, this distance same will be. Why? Because these two are parallel lines. Distance traveled by jet plane in 15 seconds is equal to how much we got? 3000 meters. 3000 meters. Now we should find the speed of the jet plane. Speed of the jet plane. Speed is equal to distance by time. You know the physics formula. So speed is equal to distance by time. Where distance is equal to, we got 3000 meters. We'll substitute in the place of D. In the place of D, we'll substitute 3000 meters. And 16 second time. Time is 15 seconds. 15 ones, 15 2s 30, half also 2 zeros you keep. Therefore, this is 200 meter per second. Or you should convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, means what should do? 200 into, you should multiply by 18 by 5. 18 by 5. 5 ones, 5 fours 20. Afterwards this 0 left, 0 write down. 18 fours 72. 720. 720 kilometer. 720 kilometer per hour. Hence the speed of the jet plane. Hence the speed of the jet plane is equals to 200 meter per second or 720 kilometer per hour. Speed of the jet plane क्या है? 200 मीटर पर सेकेंड और 720 किलोमीटर पर आवर. स्पीड ऑफ द जेट प्लेन क्या है? 200 मीटर पर सेकेंड और 720 किलोमीटर पर आवर. స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద జెట్ ప్లేన్ ఎంత ఉంది? 200 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ ఆర్ఎల్స్ 720 కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్ స్పీడ్ వెళ్తుంది జెట్ ప్లేన్. హెన్స్ వి ప్రూవ్డ్.